Hi everyone, welcome back. Interesting times again, isn't it, really, with this thing going around. But anyway, I hope everyone's staying safe and sound and using their time wisely. Now, I don't know if you see me, I like to fiddle around with stuff and I like to make things. Now, I got bored the other day and I decided to make a thing called a Diddley Bow. And yeah, 10 minutes YouTube said, but after 4 hours I made this. Now I can't play a guitar for diddly squat, but it's got one string, so I didn't think it would be that hard. So I got myself like a bit of metal or whatever, and yeah, I'm just I can't play for what I did. I've had to come out to the lorry because I'm really annoying the missus. So anyway, I didn't think that was going very well. So I watched another YouTube video, and you can do it out of a lump of wood. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if we can make another one. So I've already marked this bit of wood out. What I'll do is I'll lift the camera up a little bit. Oh yeah. What do you reckon my t-shirt? I've had this t-shirt for about 15 years. No, probably more than that actually. Christ. No, it's probably about 20 odd years, yeah. It's quite cool. Pause it and read it. Might be offend someone. Anyway, this piece of wood. Oh, there we go. So I've got a piece of wood here. Right, that's not very long. I've marked it in the middle. So, and there's 26 inches apart. So what I do, get the old trusty Milwaukee and drill, put these in there like that. Not too much. And then the other one. So from here to here, it's 26 inches. And then all you got to do, get your guitar string. It's supposed to be an E guitar string. So I've nicked this from my daughter. Sorry, Booze. But yeah, I nicked this from my daughter's guitar. Didn't realise it actually came with quite a few. So why does my phone keep going black and dark? Why does it do that? Do you know what? Of all this technology, look, hello. Look, so just what's it doing? Why does it do that? The light hasn't changed. I haven't moved. Anyway. Oh, and it's gone again. I'm gonna start getting wound up with this. Right. Right, I'm gonna go get my Canon photo. I'm gonna go and get my Canon camera. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, and I'm back. So this might be a little bit better. So anyway, here we have our piece of wood, marks in the middle and 26 inches apart. So get our bit of string. So that's not too bad, it goes over that. What else did I need? Oh yeah, I think I was supposed to cut these ends off. But so you wrap it around it a few times. Hopefully. Yeah. And screw it down. Like so. Put it tight. do the other end. Put it as tight as you can. Oh. There you go. And then screw it down. Oh. Oh. And then you get these bolts. Just normal bolts. Normal bolts. 2 of them. And slide them underneath. Ah. It's not very going very well, is it? Why has it done that? I was hoping this would be a bit like Blue Peter. But it's not, is it? Nothing's ever simple, is it? It's always easy on YouTube. See, now it's come off both ends. So what am I doing wrong? Okay, we'll try again. Maybe we should try and wrap it round. Maybe I should have done a bit of preparation. Alright. So pull it back off that end. Alright. Okay. Maybe I should tuck it under. Okay. Let's wind it back up. Alright. Let's try again. Bolts underneath. Okay, it doesn't seem too bad. Oh yeah. Sounding cool. And then the other bolt, slide it up. There. Oh, that sounds like it's going to go ting ting. Right. Now we have a Diddley Bow. Allegedly. And we've got one of these slider things. Now you're supposed to mark off where the notes are. I haven't got a clue. So I'm just going to like... Oh yeah. Doesn't really sound nothing like what it did in the video. CC Stick. What's his name? Oh God, I can't even pronounce it. Sick Steve. Well. Well, there you go. Oh dear, I think this has got to be one of the most worst videos ever. Right, this tutorial, well, in fact it's not a tutorial, is it? This is not how you make a Diddley Bow. Well, it might be, but I haven't done it right. But this is just for pure entertainment, because oh yeah, might have to do that. Yeah, I'm going to be at Glastonbury next year. Not. Well, That was a load of rubbish, wasn't it? But hey ho, it's a bit of fun. What more can you do? I expect you're all sitting in your vans or homes or whatever and thinking, oh my god, I have just wasted like 5 minutes or 10 minutes or however long this video is going to go on of my life. To be fair, what else are we going to do during lockdown? I mean, some of us do have to go to work, some of us don't, but all I want to do is just make sure everyone's having a bit of a giggle, really. So stay safe, and oh yeah, wow, 250 subscribers, 257 now I think, so, oh I look like Mel then, that's better. Anyway, not taking a mickey out of anyone, so anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully if you still like it, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.